Well, good morning from APIA Samoa. I had big plans today. I was going to snorkel, actually. I had plans to snorkel the Palolo Deep Marine Reserve, and then I wake up this morning, and at the time the high tide was coming in, they were predicting 70% chance of thunder, storms, and lightning. So I don't know, I changed my tune on that, and I decided to just walk around the town and go explore the town of APIA. And I see a famous church over there that they say is stunning. So I'm gonna walk through there and check it out. Hang out with me and I'll take you through this little village, and hopefully it'll be a good day. And maybe I made the right decision, I don't know. We'll find out. So very easy walk to town, 1 kilometer. And right over there you can see the church, the famous church. So one good thing is it's not really like hot here, but it's definitely humid. You can feel the humidity here, no doubt about it. But it's a clean, beautiful little town, that's for sure. So if you didn't book an excursion, or you didn't, make some big plan for APIA, and yet here you are and you don't know what you're gonna do, don't worry. Don't worry at all. Right from the ship, you can walk right into the village in like 10 minutes. You can walk around this beautiful, very clean town, very tidy town. It's a chill town. I mean, it's not full of excitement, but if you're looking for a cup of coffee or grab a bite to eat, want to explore the amazing church and just have a chill day, this is the place to do it. If you're looking for more excitement than this, I would suggest you book an excursion, get out there and snorkel, hire a taxi, rent a car, drive around the island. But if you don't want to do any of that like me, and you needed one chill day just to recharge, this is a good place to do it. You can walk around this whole town along this break wall here in the harbor, and it's really chill. It's very nice. People here are very friendly, very safe, and extremely clean and tidy. I detect it's a religious place. I see a lot of churches and bumper stickers that sort of give me the opinion that definitely church is a big part of life here. So but I had a nice chill day here. So it's humid, I'll tell you that. So APIA is a sleepy little town. It's quiet. If you're looking for a chill day and you just want to relax, want to get your sea legs going, and this is the town to sort of relax and chill if this is all you're looking for. But I needed a chill and recharge day, and this was the day for me to do it, and the perfect place to do it as well. So yeah, welcome to APIA. But if you want something more exciting to do, it should be beyond this little village, because here, this is quiet here, but perfect if that's what you're looking for. But there's a lot of snorkeling. You can rent a car, go to the other side of the town. You can rent a taxi. But for me, I just chose a chill day. So yeah, enjoy APIA.